How to send voice message in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can send a voice message in Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sending a voice message on Telegram is a bit of a tricky process. You have to open up the Telegram application over here. After you do that, you can select a person to whom you would like to send, let's say, a voice message. Now, if you look right over here on the right hand side, you'll find a voice message icon. Now, by default, it could be set to camera icon. All you have to do is tap on it once, then it will get switched to voice. So when you tap on it, it will get switched to a video. You have to simply hold to record a video. But if you tap on it once, it will get switched to an audio icon, and you just have to hold to record it. And once you go ahead and basically record it, you can simply send it, or you can slide left to cancel it. So this way you can basically send a voice message on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.